Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the client portal on Douglas Law Practice. The client portal can be used to securely pay a deposit or invoice, upload requested documents needed for your case, and conveniently and securely communicate directly with the attorney. The client portal can be accessed directly on douglaslawpractice.com in the upper right corner. Once you've signed up with Douglas Law Practice, our office will send a secure link to your email to create your account. Once you've created your account, you may log in to the client portal. Once you've logged in, you will see this home screen that details any updates from Attorney Douglas. As we can see, there were some documents requested from our office and one unpaid invoice. In order to see what documents are missing from the office, we want to go to the Task tab. Any overdue documents or tasks will be detailed under the Open Task, so we can see that there are documents needed. Here, we can see that Attorney Douglas has requested a few documents. We can easily upload these documents via the Upload Document. So, for example, we can put our document name in to 2018 tax returns and put a description. These are my federal returns. You can securely upload the documents by choosing Click File and upload them from your computer. Then click Add Document. Once you've added the document, you can check the documents that you've uploaded, and our office will be notified. Once the documents have been uploaded, we will begin working on your case. Now, if you have any questions, you can easily make a comment on the task list. Once you make a comment, our office will be notified and will get back to you shortly. To access your billing, you can click the Billing tab in the upper right, and here you can see any unpaid invoices. Invoices can easily be paid by clicking the Pay Now button, and you can securely make a payment via credit, debit, or an online check. You can also access your billing history and invoices directly here. You can also download a full billing history and invoice as a PDF. If you have a question, you can easily message Attorney Douglas via the Messages tab. Once you've sent a message to Attorney Douglas, she will be notified and will get back to you shortly.